The first day of spring is on March 19th. A few other key dates are International Women's Day, which falls on March 8th, the Mother's Day in the UK, which falls on March 10th. We will be creating a beautiful pink arrangement with some spring blooming flowers to bring in the season or as a great gift idea. Pink flowers can symbolize grace, happiness, and gentility. We started off by cleaning our stems off, cleaning off the lower leaves, and trimming the ends so our flowers can take up fresh water. We're using hydrangeas, which symbolize unity and harmony, wax flowers, which bloom in late winter or early spring and symbolize affection, light pink roses, which symbolize gratitude and sweetness, campanula, which blooms in late spring and also symbolizes gratitude and humility,
and willow flower, which will also bloom in the spring
and symbolizes a rebirth or awakening. Design your arrangement with your style in mind. I styled this arrangement slightly asymmetrical as it will have a front-facing side,
creating height with the willow flower and then stepping down in height
using the campanula next, and then using roses. You can give them a twist to open them up, wax flowers, and hydrangeas to create the body and a full look. Check us out at gardenersyards.com for more ideas and informative articles.